this lesson, we are going to perform a dialogue between two friends. One of them is sick and seeking the advice of the other.
في هذا الدرس سوف نقوم بحوار بين صديقين، أحدهما مريض ويريد نصيحة الآخر.
Hi Lisa, you look pale. What's the matter?
Yes, Tom. I suffer from a flu. Maybe I caught some cold yesterday when I had a shower, and I don't know what to do. I need your advice, Tom.
I advise you, Lisa, to go see a doctor. I'm afraid I can't recommend a medicine. I'm sorry.
No problem. Anyways, thanks for your advice. I will go to a doctor and see what he is going to tell me.
Now one friend suffers from insomnia and the other is advising her.
الآن صديقة تعاني من الأرق وقلة النوم، والآخر ينصحها.
I noticed that you stay up late, Samantha. Is there any problem I can help with?
Yes, John, I feel so tired, but I struggle to sleep.
I think you suffer from insomnia. Don't worry, it is not a dangerous disease. It is a difficulty in sleeping.
Yes, I rarely sleep. What can I do to cure this disease?
I advise you to go visit a coach.
I'm not crazy, John.
I know. Visiting a coach has never been a shame. He is going to help you with the thoughts that keep you awake at night.
Yes, I keep thinking all night. But how did you know?
Actually, I suffered from insomnia too. I had fear from the future. A coach helped me getting over it.
I think I will visit a coach as well. Thank you for your honesty.
Now another dialogue between a daughter which suffers from a toothache and her father.
والآن حوار آخر بين ابنة تعاني من ألم الأسنان وأبيها. Dad, my tooth is giving me a severe pain. I didn't sleep last night.
Didn't I tell you that eating sweets and candy a lot will result in tooth decay? I also noticed that you weren't cleaning your teeth these last weeks.
What will we do now?
We should go to a dentist.
I'm afraid I can't stand the pain when he is fixing my tooth.
Don't worry, I will urge him to use an anesthetic.
You are my life savior.
Welcome. What's the matter? My daughter suffers from a toothache. Come with me, daughter. Sit here. Open your mouth. Your tooth is infected. I cannot fix it now. I will prescribe you 2 medicines. Come back to me a week from now.
I think you will extract it, Doc.
No, we don't need to extract it. We will just remove the decay and fill the gap. It will heal, don't worry.
That's a relief, Doc. Thank you, and see you next week.
Thanks for watching.
شكرا على المشاهدة.
And we hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please like and subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications to get all the new lessons and to support us.
المرجو الاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل زر الجرس ليصلكم كل جديد ولتدعمونا.